Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change text size or font size on WeChat in few minutes. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to coach you on how you can be a procurement agent, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on notification bell for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use WeChat. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change text size on WeChat in a few minutes. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on WeChat, just to open up your WeChat account. Then after you open up your WeChat account, next thing you need to do is to simply click on Me. Next thing you need to do is to click on Settings. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on text size. Then take you to this particular page. So by default, you are going to have this icon right here. If you want to increase the font size, simply click on here and drag this way. You can drag as much as possible. This depends on how best you want to increase your text size, just like so, as you can see. So the more you increase, the more the text size is going to be more bigger. So if you take it down, it reduces the text size. It's as simple as that. So once you are satisfied with the text size, so what you need to do is to simply click on Done at the top right here, and automatically the text size is going to be increased or decreased. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to change your text size on WeChat in a few minutes. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial tips and tricks on how best you can use WeChat. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.